Braintree or Razorpay, two big payment platforms from opposite sides of the world face off. One trusted globally, one powering modern India. Which one really delivers? On the left, Braintree, global payments backed by PayPal Trust. And on the right, Razorpay, the payments suite fueling India's digital economy. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's our game plan. We're going to compare these two across everything that really matters: supported countries, pricing, integration and developer experience, security and compliance, payment methods, customization and branding, and finally, support and service. Let's get into it. First up, supported countries. Braintree is honestly like the globetrotter of payment gateways. It's available in the US, Canada, Europe, Australia, you name it. But if you're mainly focused on Indian payment methods, there might be better options, since Braintree doesn't really specialize in those. Now, Razorpay kind of flips the script. It's super optimized for India. Tons of support for UPI, net banking, and all the Indian-specific stuff. But if you're looking to go global, not so much. So yeah, for international reach, Braintree wins this round. But if you're all in on India, Razorpay's got your back. All right, time for everyone's favorite topic: pricing. Braintree does this flat fee thing, makes it super easy to predict costs, which is awesome if, like me, you hate nasty surprises. But those international transaction fees, yeah, they can hit you hard if you scale up. Now, Razorpay uses a tiered model, which can save you some bucks if you're working with high volumes. That said, it's a little less clear for low-volume merchants. So on bang for your buck, especially at scale, Razorpay edges this one out. Integration and developer experience. So important, right? With Braintree, you're getting rich SDKs, crazy detailed docs, and a checkout you can tweak to your heart's content. It's basically a playground for devs. I will say, some of the mobile docs could go deeper, but overall, top marks. Razorpay is more about getting you live, like yesterday. Their JS checkout form is a breeze to drop into your site, but you won't get as much control over the look and flow as you would with Braintree. Bottom line, customization king here is Braintree.
Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Braintree is actually a PayPal company, and they power brands like Airbnb and Uber. Meanwhile, Razorpay has empowered hundreds of thousands of startups right in India. Definitely some heavy hitters here.
Next up, security and compliance. Honestly, both are bringing their A game. Braintree's got advanced fraud detection, PCI DSS, the works. Razorpay's also on top of PCI and loops in all the regulations you need for India. This one, total tie. You're in safe hands either way. Let's talk payment methods. Braintree gives you the big global stuff: credit and debit cards, PayPal, major wallets, and multi-currency support. But here's where it stumbles. No UPI or native Indian net banking support. Razorpay, opposite story. UPI, net banking, Indian wallets, cards, all covered. But if you want to offer PayPal or other global methods, it's a bit limited. So either way, you're getting a strong selection, just tuned to different audiences. Honestly, I'd call this a tie too. Customization and branding. One of those areas that can feel small but makes a big difference. Braintree lets you control almost everything. You can really make the checkout vibe with your brand. Razorpay's much more about simplicity. Quick to embed, looks clean, but there's only so much you can do with the UI. So if you want that polished, on-brand experience, Braintree is the clear winner. Last but not least, support and service. Braintree offers 24/7 global support with a reputation to match, which honestly is a lifesaver if you've got customers around the world. Razorpay, however, really shines for Indian businesses. Their domestic support is quick and efficient, although the depth depends a bit on your plan. So for global or enterprise-grade support, Braintree edges ahead. If you look at all the categories, Braintree definitely spreads its wings wider overall. But Razorpay has that laser focus on Indian merchants that's hard to beat if that's your market. The strengths kind of mirror each other, right? So, what's my take? If you're aiming for international growth, want tons of customization, and love the idea of seamless PayPal integration, then honestly, Braintree's your best bet. But if you're all about serving Indian customers and want that seamless UPI or wallet experience, Razorpay is the top pick. Still on the fence? Here's my advice. Go check out their demos on the official sites, see what fits your business best, and get a feel for both. Trust me, it's worth exploring before you commit.